Flaticon is a way of accessing a huge number of free available icons. So if you know the kind of thing that you're looking for, and you can see individual icons or you can see packs of icons. If you sign up for a premium Flaticon account, then you can use the icons without attribution. But if you're using a free account, then you can still use the icons, but you need to attribute them. So in that case, you might find that the packs are more appropriate to use because you're just attributing to one area rather than attributing for each icon that you're using. And there's a whole different, it's over 3 million icons here for you to choose from and use. If you log on, then you can create your own collections of icons for downloading. So let's say I want to use the back to school icons here. I can download the pack and I can copy the attribution license here to add into my website.